suck out a little bit. So I'm hoping that these redfish will start coming off these grass flats. Right now I can see something kind of playing on top of the water, but it almost looks like can't tell if it's mullet or not. Kind of out here, not quite fishing off the grass, but I probably need to actually get a little closer and throw something that has a little scent to it. So I'm actually going to table this. The wind's actually perfectly pushing me down. I've got to cast at that now. I saw something strike on top of the water. Again, it could be mullet. Figure what I could do is just drift this area. It'd be great to get some fish for dinner tonight. All right, if I don't get anything on this cast, I'm gonna get set up. We'll get set up with a gulp. A little bit of what color Hefeweizen. My sea legs ain't quite what they. It's been a while since I've been fishing, guys. Had a new baby. Wow, let's get them. There he is. Oh yeah. That hook set was a little weak because I was surprised that I got bit like that. It's like a little red. Well, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Come on, brother. You gonna go back. You gonna go back, man. But I want your big brother. I want your big brother. I feel good about this area though, so I'm actually gonna set up another drift, go a little further back. As good a spot as any right here. So we're just going to do a long drift here, guys. I'm going to fish to this point up here that I'm actually going to motor a little bit. Maybe try to get into some cleaner water. So I now cruise to something a little different. It's kind of a little grass patch right here. See if I can catch them messing around up here. See, I've got a wade fisherman up there too. I'm gonna steer clear of him, not get in his way. Giving the old Gheenoe a break, drinking a beer. It's been a interesting day. Definitely trying to shake the old cobwebs off after not fishing for a long time. But you know, on the first one I had my knot pulled out, which, you know, I can take full responsibility for that. And actually on the second one, my line broke. Definitely going to get me a landing net, because that, you know, that was kind of disheartening. That was a keeper trout that we could have threw on the grill today, but hey, it is what it is. But anyway, I got a couple hours of fishing left, and then I need to get back to the house with my wife and my new baby. But I got one more spot that has always done really good for me, so I'm gonna check that out, try to see if we can't pick up at least a good fish to throw in the old skillet tonight. But anyway, just stopping to drink a beer and just enjoying it out here. This is what it's all about. Definitely want to wear the old lanyard. Like a surfboard. Yeah, this has been a very hard day of fishing, but I'm gonna run back now and get ready to go again tomorrow, y'all. Time for the run back. Y'all getting after him this morning? Nice, man. Good luck. just got onto this flat and caught a trout, but I didn't realize my dang camera was off. But there's a little grass flat right here, and they really seem to be moving. I saw a monster trout as I was landing that trout. But let's see if we can't find a couple more. Check the time. I may start burning a little twitch bait that I've got. No, ladyfish. Oh, a poor man's tarpon right there, y'all. Oh, you asshole. Now you wasted too much of my time. All right, let's get this guy off. I was hoping he'd throw himself off, but not the case. He's fun to catch. To be careful with them because they do. This guy's huge. Oh, you swallowed that thing, boy. Oh, man. I know, bud.